इतने खूबसूरत खूबसूरत गुलाब के फूलों से शुरू करते हैं अपने वीडियो को। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? उम्मीद है सब ठीक ठाक होंगे, खैरियत से होंगे। और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल, वेलकम टू अ न्यू वीडियो। और आज की वीडियो में बेसिकली हम गए थे, हमारी बेटी का था वैक्सीनेशन एंड फिजिकल मेडिकल
Where are you going, guys?
बिफोर स्कूल। और वो
Where are you
करवा
going?
के उसके
Khatija
बाद फिर
Ekta.
हमने वहीं पे एक पार्क डिस्कवर कर लिया था जो कि रिवर साइड पर था, तो हम चले गए थे वो एंजॉय करने। तो चलिए आप भी साथ साथ एंजॉय करें हमारे साथ।
Ma?
हेलो, चलो आगे आलो आलो।
How was it?
इट वाज कोल्ड।
Cool.
जस्ट लुक इनसाइड, अंदर से देखिए किस तरह खोखला हो गया।
Can you go inside?
आई डोंट नो,
Be brave.
अंदर।
Go, 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 go.
No, I cannot. कोई सांप वाम ना हो अंदर।
That's so scary. That's very scary. Oh my God.
आ जाओ, come on, come on guys।
Ooh, that's amazing. Hello guys, welcome, welcome. Ikra, Khadija, where are you? Khadija, what is this? This is amazing.
No, no, don't go inside, it's really muddy।
You see? Wow, amazing. You be careful, Baba. Okay, be careful. Hey guys, what are we doing? Oh my God, that's a very deep river. You guys are having fun. Oops. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, go back. Let's go. Okay, let's go find some other exciting place. Okay,
Okay, this is my hiking
come.
stick.
Hiking stick?
I also need a hiking stick.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Ooh, what a wonderful place. Halal, Attiya, Attiya.
Look, butterfly.
Wonderful.
I think if you go all the way over there, you can see Hey, a spider web! Look, mommy, spider web! I see a spider!
पापा ने मिन सको था ना वाटर आए ना इतना जगह आए ना तारे
Baba,
Wonderful.
I think I know. I think if we go all the way over there, we can see. We can put our feet in the
Yeah.
pond. Ew, spider web! Look, mommy, spider web!
Hmm.
I see spider.
Yep. Ooh. Hey. Guys, Viv out here. Wonderful. You guys enjoying? Having a great time. Let me come from here. Let me come from here. Ooh. Guys, look here. Oh, it's raining. Yep.
This place is amazing. Oh, this is the best place ever. Look at me. It's the water school.
Is it?
Yeah. This is shallow water. Can we go inside? Wait, I
Yeah.
think I can row.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to feel it?
Yeah. Sure.
Alright.
What's that? Ooh.
Wait, more pedals here too.
Yeah.
And to feel it.
Did you find anything interesting?
No. It's not
Khadia, did you find anything interesting?
I think I found a pedal. I found a pedal.
Okay, one more. Hey. Ah. E. Ouch.
What's it? Yeah.
It's an amazing place.
Oh, I found a pedal here. I don't know if this one is a person. Let me try. Maybe it's a little person.
You can go. You can bring your hand.
It's very cold. Let me try on this side. Or here. I found something. I think I found something.
Oh, the tadpole fish.
Tadpoles?
Fish in your tadpole and small baby.
Look, I found a pedal.
You found a pedal?
Yeah, look.
Oh,
You can.
that's pebbles, not pedals.
You can take some pebble and we can paint them. We can buy acrylic paints and we can paint them. But a little bigger one.
I found a pedal. Like this. Okay, I'm going to draw a pedal. Okay, ready? Let's.
So throw it together.
Look at this. Look, Mama.
Baba.
That's it.
अबे शूज लाए करे हैं देखो मजा नहीं.
But light it? Light it.
You sure?
Okay, episode 2.
Look, everyone. Look at me.
You bottle them, okay? Phone them, okay?
I hope it's good.
The water is not deep.
If you think it's good enough, then I'll stick on my face.
Oh, it's cold.
Yes, it is cold. It is cold.
Go.
It's cold.
Go. Move ahead.
Move. Can I?
If you want.
Okay. I also want to stick out of it. Mommy, I'm coming. Come on my sock.
Be careful. Those stones may be spiky. Do not go ahead. Just over here. Listen. See me. Here. Look at here.
Mommy, I'm coming. Ah, that's a big guy.
मुझे शूज खराब ना करना. शूज खराब ना करना मुझे. मका मेरे शूज
Oh my god! Wow, that was a big truck.
Baba, spiky तो नहीं. Is it spiky?
Not
परे ना हो जाए like
found a big rock.
हाँ अब वापस आ अड़ी ना कर okay come back no 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 spiky be careful be careful be careful be careful
I better be.
be careful be careful
I'm standing here.
It's really cold. I'm telling you, my foot is freezing right now.
I know. I just went into it. Can I try, please?
But it's a therapy, I must say. इकरा के बने हुआ
This is very far.
कदिया
all right
इकड़ो अच्छे तो पमा वरी
चले हो गया पूरा काम चले इकरा oh look at your shoes oh my god look at your shoes
हल 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 ख्याल
चले
Just one more.
मुझे ये ख्याल कर जा ये इंसेक्ट्स हैं
One more.
बिल्ली पिजन इकरा कम
I just wanted to do one more.
oops
I cannot.
oops
सयाला कर चली पे
that's okay that's okay that's okay चलें जी पार्टी हो गई पूरी सारा पानी गंदा कर दिया बाय 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 रिवर सी यू अगेन
Those are the same flowers we have at school.
Which one? Oh yeah. What kind of flowers are these?
I don't know. Don't try to pick them. These are attached to them.
Yeah. Come.
You know there's a mini basket. Can we go to a real park now?
Yes, we can.
It's going to be better in the municipal park.
Municipal park
Yes. Radford is a little, you know.
on my right hand side. Khadija, come on my right hand side. Making a vlog. Right? What place is this?
Radford was.
Red nuts, not Redford. It's Redford.
It's Radford.
Redford Scenic Spot. What was the name of the park? It says Woodland Park. Right? Was it a woodland or something else?
Wildwood.
Wildwood Park. Yep.
Or the park we went to in Christenberg. Christenberg was
I like this
like
stream.
that.
You see? There's a stream of water
I want to go in there.
coming from that mountain. Coming from that mountain.
Climb up the mountain.
So when it rains, be careful.
Yeah.
Look that's going over there.
A little bit, right?
Here's a stream.
Best day ever.
Water.
Hashtag best day ever.
What?
Hashtag best day ever.
Best day?
Ever.
Okay.
Want to see something? I
Okay.
can climb on one of these rocks.
Okay.
Hey, Baba.
Do Papa.
Deer.
Where? Oh my God. We spotted deers. Here you go. Let's see those deers. Guys, can you see? Can you see that deer? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. They. Oh my God. There's one more deer over there. Oh my God. They're so lovely. They're so lovely. Oh my God. They ran away. Oh my God. There's one more over there. Oh my God. Ran away too.
Oh, I can still see it.
Yeah. You can see? He's hiding over there. Another one is hiding over there. Oh my God. That stream is amazing. Let's see.
It was fun yesterday.
It was.
And now it's super tired. You are?
Ikra is tired. So now we are going back.
What?
Yeah, Ikra is tired. She got a shot. She needs rest. Is that okay? We'll go to Christiansburg Park next time.
No, it's not fair. This park has been.
Khadija, do you want to jump from here? If you wanna reach that river stream, you can just jump from here, and then you can be there in just maybe a couple of seconds. Do you wanna try?
No.
Come.
You want to?
What?
This whole thing was about walking.
Walking?
Yeah, this whole thing was about walking. There was no any.
This is hiking.
That's
There was no park. There was nothing to do. I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yeah.
Hiking is.
You're tired? Why?
I cannot walk anymore.
So what do you want?
To carry me.
Do you want piggyback? Okay, let's go.
When we are at the car.
All right.
Until the car is here.
Are you ready?
When we are at the car.
उम्मीद है आपको भी वीडियो देख के बहुत मज़ा आया होगा। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। बाय बाय।
You're getting a good ride, right?
Yes.
A piggyback ride.
Now I don't have to walk and I won't get